Here we are in front of the bungalow. We have our circular drive, getting close to finish with that. Got a little more crushed stone to put out. We've taken up the sidewalk here next to this tree. It was heaved up really nice slant to it. Taking them out, use them in back for the new patio area. And you can see we started laying our bluestone, 2x3s, 2x2s, about 2 to 3 inches thick. A little thinner in some areas, but not bad. Here we have the old concrete, which you can see is already crooked. So ideally I have to break all these out, take them all out, but not right now. Got too much other stuff to do. Down here we have another big tree. Beautiful maple, huge, but it raised havoc with the sidewalk here. And you can see they even poured one here, and they put it at a slant. What a nice thing to do, because now I really need to take it out. So it's a perfectly good piece of sidewalk, but they poured it at a slant. Even this one's slanted, but it's not as bad. So these were terrible, really bad. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look it now. I mean, they're out, but this one looked good before, and now when you get the worst ones out, it looks terrible. So here's where we're going to put the blue flagstone, and then this is the border right here. So we're about a foot over the pin, which I think is yeah, right there. You can see at the end of my toe. But that's where this sidewalk was. So we'll start from here. And you can probably see the slant there. I'm holding the phone straight. See the slant? I mean, by rights, I should take both of them out, but I just really don't feel like doing it right now. So I'm not sure if I'm going to take that one out now. I'm at least going to start laying these in, getting the sidewalk past the tree. But yeah, this one should come out, and then really, ideally this one. But one thing at a time. And this is right next to our new stone fence, and we have lots to pile. Okay, time to get back working on the sidewalk.